All right, now I'm going to go over some very high value, no cost ways to advertise your video marketing services to local businesses. And we're going to do this in a way that we get in front of some very warm and even hot prospects that are already looking for inexpensive ways to advertise and even pre-sold on the idea of using video to market their business. But these are folks that are really struggling to stand out, and we're going to show them a very inexpensive way to stand out with our video marketing services. So first thing that we're going to do is go over doing online classified ads. This is one of the main ways that you can market your services at absolutely no cost to you. And we're going to be using some of the tools that you see here in the dashboard. We are going to be using the download the video skin graphics, and I'm going to show you how we're going to use that here in just a second. But first I want to show you how we can really contrast what's going on with the online classifieds. So we take a look here at Houston. I'm going to look at Craigslist here in Houston. Now the first thing we can notice is when you go under services, this is going to be the area that you're going to look at most. And you can take a look at some of these services and how people are advertising. Let's go into legal, for example. Well, what people are doing here is they're trying to find ways to stand out. And what you'll notice are these little image notations here at the end of some of the ads. And what that means is that there are images within those ads, people trying to stand out. So let's take a look here. We look at bankruptcy lawyer. Well, this guy is using an image inside his ad. And let's see, let's take a look at another one here. Here's another one, same thing. People are using an image inside their ad. And this is actually one of the better and more extensive image ads there are in Craigslist. And the fact is, most people don't even know how to put images in Craigslist. And they certainly don't know how to make them dynamic, meaning where they could be clicked on and sent to a website. So let's take a look at this one right here. Here's another one. So some of the legal folks are able to do that, and they're probably spending quite a bit of money to get that done. But you'll also notice all the ads that don't have images. And these folks are trying to stand out with their advertising, but they just aren't really sure how to do it. And this is what a typical Craigslist ad will look like. It's just straight text, no real compelling marketing message. So what we're going to do is we are going to be able to offer these folks some really high value quality marketing services at a very affordable cost with what we're able to do with video, and also what I'm going to show you how to do with Craigslist and Backpage so that you can make their ads really stand out. Now, these are people that you can help just because they don't have any type of graphics or marketing message. Another way that you can find people that are already warmed up to using video to market their business, if you go to Craigslist and just over here on the left, just click the services, and in the search Craigslist, just type the word YouTube and do a search. And what you'll see here, every one of these ads that shows up is a listing that has the word YouTube in it. So what it means is that they are putting links to YouTube in their ads. See, you can say go look at my videos for YouTube. Let's take a look at one here. Here's a movers. And you'll see right here, you can see their video on YouTube. Now what happens is when you click on that, it takes them over to YouTube, and there isn't necessarily a strong marketing message or call to action or contact information. So all of these people are already, they're already kind of pre-sold on the idea of using video in their ads, but they're just not doing it the most compelling way with marketing principles. So you'll see there are tons of prospects ready to contact to offer your services for something that they're already trying to do, but just not where it could be as far as good marketing principles. So let's talk about how we can create a really compelling ad for Craigslist and Backpage. Well, the first thing that we want to do is go here and we want to download the video skins. So let's download that and just hit save. And save it right in a folder on your desktop. And once that's done, you will see it come up, the zip file. And then all you want to do is just extract that zip file, open it. And now we have all the video images right here. And there's several to choose from and several for you to play with. And this is going to be the starting point for us creating a compelling clickable ad for the online classifieds. So let's just pick a video skin. There's some here that already have some messages on it, but I'm going to show you how you can put your own message on there as well. So let's just pick one, and we want to make sure that we have a prominent play button, because that's what is going to, the eye of most consumers and searchers are trained that when they see that play button that there is a video. Now here's one of the benefits. You know, Craigslist doesn't allow embedded video. So there are very few, if any, people using graphic video images in their ads, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So what we want to do is we want to open this, and I'm on Microsoft Windows, and there's the free Paint program right here within Microsoft Windows. So if I open that in Paint, this is what it shows up as. So I am in my Paint program right now. If you are on a Mac, you can certainly use any type of free graphic editor. If it will edit JPEGs or GIF files, that's all we need to make a compelling ad. So this is going to be the basis of our ad. So we'll stretch it out. And what I found to take up a decent amount of space inside Craigslist, we can go about 600. If you'll see here, the pixels, you can go 600. And we may take it down to 600 as well, a 600 by 600 ad. So then what we can do is we can maneuver around these videos. So all we have to do is hit the select tool, depending on what version of Windows you are, and you just highlight and grab the video image, and you can just move around the images wherever you want. So we're going to put it right here. Okay, and then we can actually put a call to action right in the video space here. And the way we do that is we just choose the text tool, and we can just write, make sure the color is something that contrasts the video image. Okay, there we go. And we can say, click to watch our video, or whatever call to action you want. And then we can actually change the font to that if we want. Lots of fonts to choose from. And we can change the size up here if we want. All right. We can move it around. And now we have a call to action here. Now, to really give this some nice marketing flair and make it really, give it a really highly perceived value, what you can do is go into the wizard section on the dashboard, and you'll see a graphics creator. Now what we can do with this graphics creator is create a lot of cool high quality graphics and headlines. So here you can get the headline creator, and let's just make sure that's selected. Hit next step. All right, and this is your headlines, and you have several different options, and I encourage you just to play with this, and you'll find a lot of really cool uses for this. So here are the different styles. You can here your standard internet marketing headline styles. Okay. So we can choose one of these, and all we have to do is just highlight what we want to say, and okay, so we have a nice headline there, and we can actually change any of this this wording we want, or we can get rid of it if we like. Just delete it, and we can put another call to action. All right, then you can put the phone number there, your phone number if you want. All right, and now you have a graphic, and then all you have to do is come down here and click Save, and save the file down to your computer. And then you can go ahead and open it as well inside your graphic program, whether it be Paint or whatever free graphic program you use. And then all we're going to do is we're just going to take this image, and we will go ahead and select it here and just do copy, and then we'll bring back our video image and we'll just paste it right here. And actually it's going to need a little bit more space, so we'll just undo and move this down a little bit. All right, then we can paste our headline in, and you'll see our ad is shaping up quite nicely right here. And we can just center things up if we like. And you can actually make your ad even bigger if you like, you know, if we want to add some more text or whatever, but we can do that in our ad maker, and I'll show you how to do that. So right here, we now have a nice headline and our sub headline with our call to action, call today with our phone number, and then we have a click to watch our video. So this is the beginnings of a nice graphic ad. And as you play with this, you're going to have a lot more ideas, and you'll be able to play with it and get really creative on how you create these ads. But so far, this is the beginning of a nice graphical ad that you will rarely, if ever, see in an online classified ad like Craigslist or Backpage. And then we're going to go over how to really make these stand out in the next video and make them clickable. So start playing with the video skins and the graphics creator, and go ahead and create your first graphic ad, and this will be the basis for the beginning of your graphic ad. And then we'll go on to the next video and show you how to really ramp this up into a high perceived value ad.